outside and being in the rainforest gives parents and children such an opportunity to come together. And that's what I really love about the Rainforest Kindergarten, is that we are there with our children every step of the way. And I really love that it's facilitated in a very professional way. Through having that facilitation, there's a sense of ownership that yes, this is our Rainforest Kindergarten, this is our community's Rainforest Kindergarten. It's not only learning in a single way sense, it's a two-way sharing. In our society, there's often a lot of boundaries. It means their creativity and their self-expression and curiosity is really guided by these rules and kind of fences put up around them all the time. But having this opportunity to be out in the bush and for it to be okay to do things, for it to be okay to climb the tree, or okay to put the wood in the fire, okay to chop the veggies and make the soup together. Yeah, it's just so much freedom, and it felt very safe, I think, for all the parents too. I feel like the Rainforest Kindergarten project that's running now has this great potential to be taken to communities all around Australia, that it's really relevant to any community that wants a way to connect to country and to learn from country and to also connect with their wider community.